Magra?
Who's out there?
Who is that? Oh, who is Uh-oh, here she comes. Ah! That's going to be a good one. Oh, she can bark and carry the ball. Very, very talented.
She goes for 2 toys all the time. We play catch, you know, whatever.
She's got 2?
She'll go for 1 and she wants the second one too.
Oh.
And she'll manage to get them both.
She has some long, beautiful legs on her. Magra, come here. This is Magra. I'm already in love. She's got the softest silky hair. Oh my. She's got legs for days. Look at those legs. First haircut. So, Daddy did a great job of brushing her and bathing her. She's so silky. Really nice. And I think we're going to not take a lot off. Skim just a little off. But she needs her feet and pads done really bad. And she needs her tummy and the privates and that trimmed up. She's already had a run-in with a couple of ticks, or I guess 3 ticks, because it's tick season already. And now that we had a rain, it's really going to be tick season. They are out in the spring. We do have a amount of them around here. All right, look at her. So beautiful. So let's see if she let me do her tummy. Girl, easy, easy, easy. That tail. It's all right. Stay there. Good girl. She's 4 months old. It's all right, baby. That a girl. Okay, okay. All right, there. Oh, good girl. That hairy belly. Okay, okay. Shh, 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 shh. Stay. I do love you. I think you're beautiful. Stand up. Up, 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 up. There. Good girl. Good girl. Let's see. All right. I'll look at that belly. Good girl. All right. Good job. Good job, baby girl. Good job. Okay, you see right here? Look, look, look. Oh no, don't get your feet underneath you. That a girl. Stay there. She's got really long toenails. You can tell they're making her slip slide around on the table. So we need to get her back on her pads of her feet. So she's got some grip. She needs some grip. Huh, you need to get a grip. You do. I can hear you sliding around on your toenails that are clenched up. So let's get rid of those, huh? Let's get rid of those. Shall we? It's all right. It's all right, my love. Oh, does it? Oh, those are sharp hooks, huh? Yeah. Now, of course, being a puppy, we're not going to take any chance of getting her nails. We're not going to try to get them perfectly close and maybe risk getting the quick, because it's not worth it. She cannot have a bad experience with her toenails at this age. Don't let it happen. Don't let somebody practice on your dog when they're a puppy. Good girl. You err on the side of a little too long. Clip them again in a couple weeks. Do not get the dog's nails too short at this age. Good girl. Good girl. Very nice. Such a good girl. I am going to introduce her to the Dremel, because ideally I want her to be able to have her toenails dremeled. So much safer. You can see right what you're doing. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. One more. Last one. One more, baby girl. Last one. One more. Good girl. Oh, such a good girl. Wow, such a good girl. Good job. Good job, baby. Nice work, Magra. Nice work. Wow. Okay. Let's trap her tail so her tail's not in my way. That's all right. Da, da, da. Can I see? Oh, she's got long legs here. Long legs. It's all right there. Good girl. That a girl. Good girl. These aren't nearly, her nails aren't nearly as long in the back. It's all right. It's all right. Let's see. I think I'm gonna just Dremel those. Good girl. Good girl. What did you just eat? What did you eat? A piece of hair? Ha! Skin a little bit. It's all right. That hurt. It's important that you let them sniff it and experience it. Have a little bit of time to get used to it. You don't have to like turn it on and get right to it. You know, it's like set it down. Oh, feel that vibration, huh? Isn't that something or what? Doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt her. Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Here, watch, watch. Oh, looky there. Easy does it. Doesn't hurt, baby girl. It doesn't hurt. Good girl. Wow, good girl, Magra. Wow, look at that. All right, good girl. Very nice. So brave. Since she's gotten into ticks, we're not going to shave her. She's got a coat of hair that's just absolutely beautiful. I don't have the heart to shave it. But we're going to tone it down a little bit so that they can have an easier time finding any problems that she might run into. All right, a little bit right there. A little bit. Good girl. Look at that. Look at that. All right, stand up here. Stand up. A little bit right there. She's been such a good girl. Being such a good girl. Got her toned down just a little bit. I use the 0 double duck as a guide. But mostly I just scissored her wispy stuff away. She's being so cooperative. She's being so cooperative. She is. She's being so cooperative. Take some pictures of her in the garden. See, hold still. No, no. Sit down. Sit down there. Sit. Good girl. Her stay. Sit. Good girl. Such a good baby girl. Right here. This one right here. Woo! Look at that hair on the back of her neck still. All right, hang on. A little bit more of that off. It would be good to use the double duck just for marking, but that's all right. I can wing it without. Very still. Up, up. Hold still. Open this ear. There we go. We'll take pictures now and then we'll come back because I gotta have my pictures. Yeah. Then we'll come back and do the couple last little two things. Huh? Yeah, I think so. Look at that head. Pretty. Open this ear. Still. Hold still. Come on. Good girl. Stand down. Stay right there. Don't you move. Stay right there. Oh, it looks so beautiful on you. Sit. Sit your butt down. Sit down. Thank you. Stay. Stay right there. Stay right there. Tie this on. Let me see these back nails. Let me see. Stay. Okay. All right. I'm going to do that. Let's turn it around first and we'll get a picture.